sorry guys, the video was long, so I'm retaking it again. There are a lot of agricultural land also in Maui, a lot of plantation, and that's the Liki Liki. No, that's Liki Liki Mountains. Wow, what's that freeway coming from? What? No, the freeway. Where's the Haleakala Mountains? Where is that?
Freeway is Highway 30 and then Karanapali.
Yeah, but where is Haleakala Mountains? Where is
It's covered with
clouds? Yeah. We're definitely going to pay a visit to Haleakala Mountains again. That's what the observatory is, right? Yeah, the biggest, most beautiful observatory. Look at all the solars, guys. They're all solar. There's so much sun, so might as well leverage the sun for the usage of the electricity and farming. And in Haleakala Mountains, there's an observatory that is absolutely to die for. You need to go see that place. We are in Wyoming, no? No, we're resort. Kanapali area has the most expensive resort, like Ritz-Carlton and Four Seasons, and I'm not going to say the hotel that we're going to stay for now, but very smooth flight we experienced from Sacramento to Maui. It was a 5 hours and 18 minutes flight. A little bit of turbulence in between, but not a lot. With the Airbus of 320, right? Airbus? What's it?
320.
Yeah, 320 Airbus. Class seating.
Aloha kākou, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure being the first to welcome you to our beautiful Valley Isle of Maui. We will be taxiing for the next few moments. For your continued comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-ons properly stowed till the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the terminal and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us today, please check around your seat area in the seat pocket ahead of you, as well as the overhead compartments for any articles you brought on board with you.